Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products. Today we're comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura Air Fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer. Make sure to like this video, comment below with which air fryer you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our reviews. If you're cooking for a large family, you'll appreciate the Chefman with its 8-quart size, which is perfect for cooking up to 6 servings at once, whereas the Secura 5.3 quarts air fryer can accommodate up to 5 servings. Both air fryers are multifunctional and can fry, roast, bake, reheat, and grill. The Chefman has 4 one-touch cooking presets for French fries, fried chicken, meat, and fish. In contrast, the Secura air fryer has adjustable temperature control and a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off. The Chefman has a bright and clear digital display with touch controls placed on the top of the air fryer for easy viewing and access, while the Secura has easy-to-read manual controls on the front. The Chefman has an extra-large viewing window and bright interior light, while the Secura has an external handle, which makes it easy to pull out the basket without getting burned. Both air fryers use rapid air technology for crispy and evenly cooked results without the need for much oil. The Chefman has an LED shake reminder to ensure even cooking, and the Secura has a convection fan for more rapid and efficient cooking. The Secura air fryer is a more affordable option with a price of $56, while the Chefman TurboFry 8-quart is priced at $129. Keep in mind that the Chefman offers a larger capacity and more features for the higher price. Well, there you have it, folks. The comparison of the Secura air fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer. Both air fryers have their pros and cons, and it really comes down to what you're looking for. If you're an individual or a small family, the Secura would be a budget-friendly option. But if you have a larger family and you're looking for more features and a bigger size, then the Chefman might be a better choice. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Make sure to let us know in the comments which air fryer you would choose. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.